Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PalmDAS and BOD math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 3, B is 5, C is 9 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BOD math and PalmDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them, but just coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BOD math and PalmDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But here we have two brackets. One is square bracket or other one is um, rounded bracket. So now we have to solve this one. First, inside bracket, we have to solve this one because first we have to solve inner bracket 2, 5 minus 3 and it becomes 6 plus 7, which is here we do not have any sign, but it is implied multiplication. So that's why we will write the multiplication sign. 6 plus 1 is 7 square bracket divided by 4 plus 9. And here we have to give the reference 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Now move forward. Step number 1, we have to repeat for complete bracket. So now we have this bracket contains two operations. One is minus, another one is multiplication. So here we will write 25 minus 7, 3 the 21 and divided by 4 plus 9, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 7 equals to 21. Now we have to solve again. We have here brackets, so we have to solve this one. 25 plus 21 becomes 4 divided by 4 plus 9. We will write here as it is. And here 25 minus 21 equals to 4. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket and now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this one. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 4 divided by 4, which is equals to 1 plus 9. And here 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 10. The answer of the given expression is 10. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PalmDAS and BOD math method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.